Hello everyone and welcome back to Art of Decor. We share awesome ideas to decorate your life easier. In this video, I can show you some different modern mirror wall ideas to decorate your home with best living standard styles. Certainly, here are some inspiring benefits of mirror wall ideas. Enhance space perceptions. Mirror walls create an illusion of expanded space by reflecting lights and the surrounding areas. This is especially useful for small rooms or areas with limited natural lights, making them appear more open and spacious. Adds depth and dimensions. Mirror walls add depth and dimensions to a room, making it feel larger and more dynamic. They create visual interest and make the space feel multidimensional. Reflect natural lights. Mirror Mirrors are excellent and reflecting natural lights, helping to brighten up room and create a cheerful and inviting atmosphere. They can amplify the effect of the windows or artificial lighting, maximize the overall brightness of the space. Makes a bold statement. A well-designed mirror wall can serve as a stunning focal point in any room. It adds a touch of glamour, elegance, and sophistication, becoming a statement piece that catches the eye and elevates the overall aesthetics. Enhance room decor. Mirror wall complement various interior design styles from modern and minimalist to traditional and electric. They seamlessly blend with different decor elements, furnitures, and color schemes, enhancing the overall look and feel of the room. Reflect beautiful view. Placing a mirror wall strategically opposite a window or any picturesque view allow you to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors from multiple angles. It brings natural indoors and a create serene and tranquil atmosphere. Boost light in dark areas. Mirror walls can effectively brighten up dark or dimly lit area of a room. By reflecting light, they help distribute it evenly, reducing shadows and creating a more balanced and well lit environment. Consoles imperfections. Mirror walls can be used creativity to cancel imperfection to walls such as cracks or uneven surfaces. They act as a smooth and reflective surface, making up flaws and creating a polished look. Create artistic displays. Mirror walls can be used as a canvas for artistic display by arranging mirrors of different shapes and sizes. You can create unique and visually appealing patterns, adding an artistic touch of the room decor. Easy to clean and maintain. Mirrors are relatively easy to clean and maintain, requiring just a simple wipe with a glass cleaner and cloth. They stay looking polished and fresh, contributing to a clean and well maintained space. In summary, mirror walls ideas offer a range of benefits from enhancing space perceptions and adding depth to brightening up rooms and creating stunning focal point. They brighten light, beauty, and style of any space while allowing for creative expression of designs. Please join the creative journey with me and let's explore the world of art and design together. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.